Hello guys, my name is Jonathan. I'm from Germany right now. I'm in wonderful Lombok and I'm traveling for a very nice mission because I'm going through different countries and I'm helping social projects to get donations, okay? Because here in this country, very little money, so we need support from all of you. You can give very little, like €1, like €2, €5. It's a lot of money here, and with this money, we're gonna support this wonderful foundation for orphans, for children that really need help. Okay. Later, go on the video. You will see talk the founders telling you more information. Okay. We are together here because we have a dream. What is a dream?
I have dream many children better life.
Yeah, because many children need help here on this side, okay, to have a nice life.
Yes, nice life. He needs a donation because I have the foundation, Team Care Foundation. He needs a chair. He needs some money. It's okay if you want to the $1, $2. It's okay for you. Anyone.
Okay, thank you. Please following watching the video. Yeah, and it's very easy. Take the link and you can support us with very, very little. Okay, thank you.
My name is Ramadan from Lombok.
Hello friends, now we are here at the place and we see, what is his name? Ricky. This is Ricky, and Ricky is part of the project and we want to support Ricky, right?
Yes.
Okay, he needs help with going hospital, he needs help getting food, medication, support, right?
Yeah.
So, how are you, Ricky? Yeah? Okay.
Hello, my name is Selma. I'm volunteering here in this foundation, and any support would be very appreciated.
Yeah, the same for me. I'm volunteering here as well, and the people who work here are really nice and want to make a difference to the world, and you can support them. Yes.